Visualizing. Fly as easy as you are. And skip. And then it's going to be service agree, information, mobile GPS, GPS information, hardware info. Okay. And punch join. Log in or register. I'm already in the system, but we'll see what it does. Again, it punches up its own. Let me catch it. Its own list of things here. Our phone number or email. Let's see. And a password. I don't know. I don't know which one it is. Let's go. Okay, you will be sent a link to reset your password. Alright, so I'm going to come back out. Back to login. Okay. I hear it, but I don't know if it gave it to me. There it is. Password account. Click here to reset your password. You know. Okay. Let's see. Resetting my password. Okay, let's see if we're good. Okay, password successfully changed. Return to previous page. Skypixal. Okay. So we're now in Skypixel. Okay, enter your password. Hopefully it's the same one as I just did. If not, shoot. It's so small here. Let's try it again. And of course, it's got that crazy. I'm not a computer hack. What is that? Okay. Try it again. Invalid code again. Jesus. Let's try it again. I can actually see these. E. P. GP. Again. T. Looks like a P. Again. Come on. This is crazy. You're driving me nuts. This is a Q. This is a 3. This is a D. This is a 3. Now don't you tell me you're wrong. Let's go. Finally. Okay, XS111. We are now in Skypixel. And it was the same one that you just used. Okay, so it shows me all that good stuff. Okay, so that's your, if you want to make your videos in high def and stuff like that. Okay, so we're now in that. Okay, dear creator. Okay. Let's see now. Gotta go back into, you know, DJI Fly. Okay, now we're gonna log in again. Okay. Okay, login successful. Let's see what we're gonna hear. Before you fly, let's watch a series of 3 short videos to help you learn the basics of your new aircraft. Around 30 seconds. Find the best place to fly, preparing to fly, and flying the aircraft. So I'm just gonna skip that for the moment. Now you're going to jump in. It's going to go ahead and say connect the aircraft. You have album, skypixal, and profile down below, altitude zone, and fly spots. Just look at here. Get automatic comes up to Mavic Mini, and so it shows you how to open up your controller, get all your arms. No, I've already done that. You just have to flip that up. This does not have, it actually looks like the controller for this one here. It shows opening up the antennas and all that stuff on this. This does not have antennas, so you know there's nothing here. It's all all internal. So anyway, oops, what do I do here? Take out and install the control sticks, and then short press the remote control power button, and then press and hold again until the remote controller beeps to indicate it is powered on. Connect the module device to the remote controller using the PC cable, which is what you just did. Alright. Okay. There we go. So we just did that. What's it telling me to do? Let's see. Short. Press the remote control button, then press and hold it again. Okay. So press once. Short press, power button, then press and hold it again. Okay. Now it's up. Allow DJI Fly to access Mavic series. Always open when the Mavic series is connected. That's okay. Okay. So we'll punch OK. Okay. Unfold front and rear of the arms. Move the gimbal protector. Slide the battery into the battery compartment. Short press the aircraft power button. Then press and hold it again on power on. And of course, right now it says unable to connect to the aircraft. Okay. Okay. So all your controllers basically do the same thing. Okay. So now it's going to ask me Mavic Air 2. It is not a Mavic Air 2. You're going to have to go through Mavic Mini, and then punch on the Mavic Mini, and then you're going to do the same thing. Also, go ahead and install before you fly, and do that, and it'll automatically set you up, and you'll know what's going on in the area, and again it'll let you know if it's safe to fly. So make sure you do your pre-flight on your drone before you fly it, and stay within the rules of the FAA. And let's see. Okay. Let's get take all the packing off of here. Now I just found out that the USB cables are not compatible between this and my the old Mavic. I want to see. Yeah, it is the old Mavic Pro. Because of course you get the Mavic 2 now. They use the old cable, so they're not compatible. What is that? What is that? That plug? I know these are all now C's, so it's not the C. It's the other. It's the one before the C. Let me get the leads out of the way, because now when I pull this up, it's the battery cover is under here. There we go. Okay, so your battery's in here, and I take it you don't even have to pull the battery. You don't even have to pull the battery out to charge it. You just plug that in, click, and push this little push up here because it locks in there. Shove that down, and now she's closed. Okay, and then let's see what's next. Gimbal coupler. Cool. I'm not pulling it. I gotta get and then one last set of blade tape. All right, there you go. There she is. Now, just like the what are you doing? Let's keep bouncing in and out. Okay, I'm back on the Mavic here. All right, and just like the Mavic does the exact same thing. You got to take your upper blades, spread them out, and then roll your lower ones back out. So it's the exact same design. And there she is. You now have the Mavic Mini all ready to set itself out. And just for the heck of it, here's the $100 one. It doesn't have landing gear, so it doesn't affect anything. So they just fold out. The battery, I think this has got like a 7 or 8 minute fly time. So it is just a little bit, just a tad bit bigger than this one, but this has got nowhere near the technology that this has got. If they finally get the obstacle avoidance on this thing, I think that's all it needs. Just needs obstacle avoidance all the way around. Omni. The Omni system on that would be fantastic. I hope these blades are the same size. No, the little blades on this are a little bit smaller as well. But there you go. There's your $100 drone vice your $300 drone. With 300% more of the technology. And of course, the camera, that's only probably 2.7, and of course you can't control it, and you can adjust it up or down if you want manually. Okay, takes care of that one. Get about back in there. All right, and then curious about the $20 drone there that I got. It's all, again, one of those foldables. So there we go. And that was just a quick add in there for the unboxing, and then the spring of the wings. There we go. What you're looking at right now is a fully charged Mavic 2 Mini, which means it's time to go flying. It's going to be the maiden voyage. It is Saturday, the 12th of December, 2020. It is currently 32 degrees. When this is charging, that white light will be flashing. And then with the controller, the light will be flashing, but once it's fully charged, there is no more light. The charging cable on this is just a standard C. Now I've got it set up and it's plugged into the Phantom and the Mavic Pro's charging system. The little box there is the charging box for the battery that goes in the Crystal Sky. The charging cable that goes for the Mavic Pro is the old style charging plug, where this is the new oval. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we're going to catch you on the next. Out.